and welcome to Job Hoppers. Woo! I love you! I cramped a little bit, but I'm good. Today we're in Charlotte, North Carolina meeting Kareem. He's a business analyst for Spectrum Enterprise, which means he's all about the data analytics, which is great because honestly, I don't know that much about data analytics at all. There's no doorbell. Kareem, it's me, Aaron from Job Hoppers! Kareem!
Yo, Aaron, hop in, we're late.
Oh, sorry. I thought you were up there. Sorry. How's it going, man?
Hey, how's it going? Nice
Nice to meet you too.
Job Hoppers! Job Hoppers!
All right, so we're on the way to work. Tell me about yourself first.
I'm a business analyst for Spectrum Enterprise. I help take all that confusing big data and just kind of transform it into actionable insights.
Oh, that's really cool. So I didn't mean to like look in your car or anything, but I did see a basketball in the back seat. Is that just for like decor?
No, I actually play. I try to play at least once a week.
Oh, sorry. Okay. All right. Wait, is this it?
No, it's coming up right there.
I'm just gonna be honest. I thought one of those like small office buildings. Wait, your building's over there. Hey, are you sure we just can't like call for a car?
No, man, we're almost there. It's huge. Sometimes I forget how big it is. Finally here.
We're here. Oh, AC.
I'm in the corner right there,
You had the corner
Next.
office?
next to the window. So this is my desk.
You do play basketball.
Just line it up. Aw, dang, that was close.
So data.
Yeah.
What is data and why do people need it?
Data is literally anything.
Names, numbers, people.
The number of pens is data. The number of yellow pens is data as well.
That's great because I'm a visual learner
Yeah.
and I get it. Wow. Okay, hold on. What? Wait, what is sus?
Stand up straight. So I don't want to get into the habit of slouching over or anything.
That's a good call. I need to be more sus.
Yeah. So day to day, I'll have a lot of time where I'm just working alone, but there'll be times where I need to collaborate with my colleagues. They'll provide me with like an inquiry of different things that they're looking for or
Yeah.
data that they need, and I'll go ahead and create a query based on their needs.
So what is query language?
Well, this whole thing is called a query.
Isn't that code?
Yeah.
Okay, so I know code. Okay, so what happens after you come up with your query?
Yeah,
See,
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
using the terminology.
So after that, I'll put it in a report and create different bar graphs, different charts. That just makes the data a lot easier to understand when you can visually see what's going on.
How many programs do you use?
Tableau, Python, SQL, I'd say like 5 or 6.
So if anything can be data, can food be data?
Yeah, it actually can. Yeah.
Can we get some data? You get what I did there?
Yeah.
And we turn. My calves are burning, but it's great. Data's good.
Yeah. It's salty though.
So your Google Career Certificate, can you tell me more about that?
Yeah. So it really helped me launch my career, and that's like a big part of the reason why I'm here now.
How long did it take you to complete it?
It took me about 3 months actually.
What?
So after I completed the certificate, within a month, I was able to get my first job. Before, when I was taking the certificate, I was living at home, didn't really know what I was gonna do.
Oh.
And then, once I finished the certificate, I ended up getting a job, get my own place. Now I have a clear vision of what I wanna do in the future, in the next 5 years. I feel like my life changed pretty much.
How did you get a job after getting the certificate?
So there's like 8 courses in that certificate program. So anytime I passed the course, I would post it on my social media and, eventually help me to meet people and get the job that I have. I was definitely working hard. I just remember that time in my life just being disciplined and focused, and yeah, I knew that nothing could stop me.
Thank you so much for lunch.
Yeah, man.
All right, what's next?
Well, I actually like to spend the rest of my lunch break playing basketball, so you wanna come on?
No, I'm good. You go ball.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm just gonna hang out.
All right, man.
I'll see you after, okay?
Yeah.
We'll go work. Little does he know, I'll be there. So what Kareem doesn't know is I will be balling with data. twist it. Come on, Kareem. I know you got this. That's an air ball. Another one. Hey, Kareem, I know you're busy, but you probably didn't notice this, but I was watching you the entire time you were playing basketball.
Yeah, I saw you.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, you had that bush in your hand.
You know what? Agree to disagree. It's fine. The point is I thought this would be a good chance for me to work on my data collecting skills and a chance to help you with your ball game.
Okay, you just tell me how many I made in each box.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, left wing.
Okay, left wing, you made 4. Right wing, you made a gentleman's 3.
Oh, that's pretty bad.
Left corner, you made 5. Right corner, you made 7. And I think your best spot is top of the key. You made 8 out of 10. That's pretty good.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
You were sinking them. So this is what I was showing Kareem earlier. This is all my data, all the little quadrants, and these are all the shots he made. Out of his total of 50, he made 27. Okay, so we need to calculate the percentages.
Yeah. Here equals that divided by that. Boom.
You did that a lot faster than I expected you to.
I'll put it on the presentation and make a nice little data visualization for you.
Okay, let's do it. Lights. Wait, you got all this from what I wrote down?
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Nah,
You did this so fast.
it's all from your data. When I shot at the top of the key, I shot 80%.
Yeah.
So that's my hottest spot, and that's why it's red. The 2 wings on the side, those are my worst spots.
Okay, so I get a better idea of what's going on, and you understand that you need to work on your wing shots, right?
Yeah,
All
yeah.
right. So what kind of advice would you give anyone interested in joining your field?
Just go for it if it's something that you really want to do. All the resources are out there for you. So I'm an example of not knowing anything and actually getting started in a career and gradually improving. So,
Well, Kareem, seriously, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Lunch was great. Thank you for having me.
yeah.
And whenever
yeah.
you see a bush, think of me. At first, I thought data analysts would just sit around with their calculators, spreadsheets, and crunch numbers. But I was wrong. It's so much more than that. And to see experts like Kareem do what they do, get things done, it's really cool. So that's it for today. Let's hop to the next job. Hey, can you turn back on the lights? Yes, please.